In this video, you'll learn about the max and min functions in Excel. These functions allow you to instantly find the highest and lowest values in a set of data. The max function returns the largest value, while the min function returns the smallest value. Let's explore how to use them. Let's start with the max function. The basic syntax of the max function is as follows: equals max open parenthesis number 1, comma, number 2, comma, and so on close parenthesis. You can include multiple numbers or cell references separated by commas within the parentheses. Excel will then determine the largest value among the provided numbers. Now let's look at the min function. The syntax is similar to the max function, equals min open parenthesis number 1, comma, number 2, comma, and so on close parenthesis. Just like with the max function, you can specify multiple numbers or cell references, and Excel will identify the smallest value. Here's an example of how to use the max function. Imagine you have sales data for different months: January, February, March, and April, with the sales values of 5,000, 7,500, 6,200, and 8,900 respectively. To find the highest sales figure, you can use the formula equals max open parenthesis B2 colon B5 close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to find the maximum value within the range of cells from B2 to B5, which corresponds to the sales figures. The result of this formula is 8,900, indicating that the highest sales occurred in April. Now let's see an example of the min function. Suppose you have temperature data for different days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with the temperature values of 15 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Celsius, 12 degrees Celsius, and 18 degrees Celsius respectively. To find the lowest temperature, you can use the formula equals min open parenthesis B2 colon B5 close parenthesis. This formula instructs Excel to find the minimum value within the range B2 to B5, representing the temperature values. The result of this formula is 8, indicating that the lowest temperature was 8 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. The max and min functions become even more powerful when working with cell ranges. For example, you can find the maximum value within a single range, such as A1 to A10, by using the formula equals max open parenthesis A1 colon A10 close parenthesis. This will return the largest value in that range. You can also use multiple ranges with the min function, like equals min open parenthesis A1 colon A5, comma, C1 colon C5 close parenthesis. This formula will find the minimum value across both the A1 to A5 and C1 to C5 ranges. The max and min functions have many practical applications. In sales analysis, you can use them to find the highest and lowest performing months or regions. For budget planning, you can identify the maximum expenses and minimum costs. In performance metrics, you can track the best and worst performing indicators. And in quality control, you can monitor maximum tolerances and minimum standards. Here are the key takeaways from this explanation. The max and min functions are quick and easy to use with a simple syntax: equals max open parenthesis range close parenthesis and equals min open parenthesis range close parenthesis. They provide instant results across any data range and are essential tools for data analysis and decision making. They work with single ranges, multiple ranges, and individual values, making them versatile for various applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.